Create a transition that keeps the floor level, safe, and visually cohesive between bathroom tile and adjacent hardwood. Start by planning the substrate and height differential before laying any material so you can avoid shaving or building up later. Use a thinset technique for tile that allows the finished tile surface to match the height of the hardwood plus any underlayment. Stop cement board short under the doorway by roughly the thickness of the transition assembly so the hardwood subfloor can be exposed for a secure nail or glue attachment. Choose a transition profile that accommodates the exact thickness difference and allows a small gap for natural movement. For most jobs, a T-shaped profile or overlap reducer works best because it bridges materials without a raised lip. Measure the thickness of tile plus mortar bed and the thickness of the hardwood plus underlayment and record those numbers before ordering the strip so you do not need to trim on site. If your floor heights end up mismatched, shave the subfloor where possible or add a feathered plywood shim under the hardwood to bring heights into alignment, keeping water resistance in mind near the wet area. 3 common mistakes are cutting the cement board all the way under the door, picking a transition profile that is the wrong height, and failing to account for seasonal movement of hardwood. Cutting the cement board full length often prevents a secure attachment for the transition strip and makes a neat reveal impossible, so stop the backer board short and fasten the transition to the exposed subfloor. Choosing a too tall or too thin profile creates a trip hazard or a gap, so always measure finished heights and test fit before final installation. Ignoring wood movement leads to buckling or gaps over time, so leave appropriate expansion gaps at the edge of the hardwood and use a flexible or slotted fastening method on the transition strip. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for tile-to-hardwood transitions and other flooring work, and we also help contractors find jobs that match their skills. We have a discussion community where we, our members, and pros exchange tips, photos, and real-world installation experiences.